Hello everyone! The 2026 Toyota Hilux is here, and it continues to carry the legacy of one of the toughest, most trusted pickup trucks on the planet. Known for its bulletproof reliability, rugged capability, and go-anywhere attitude, the new Hilux has been re-engineered for a new generation of drivers who demand power, comfort, and technology in one unstoppable package. From the first glance, the 2026 Toyota Hilux exudes toughness and sophistication. The front fascia has been completely redesigned, with a bolder grille, sharper LED headlamps, and a more muscular bumper that enhances both aerodynamics and presence. The sculpted hood, flared wheel arches, and high ground clearance instantly communicate its off-road DNA. Toyota has also refined the proportions, making the truck more aerodynamic while retaining its rugged silhouette. The rear features modern LED taillights, a sturdy tailgate with integrated Hilux branding, and an upgraded bedliner that's ready for heavy-duty work or weekend adventure. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Hilux comes with several powerful engine options. The highlight is the updated 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, which now produces around 210 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, giving it excellent pulling power and acceleration even when fully loaded. There's also a 2.4-liter diesel and a 2.7-liter petrol option for those who prefer lighter-duty performance. Rumors suggest that a mild hybrid diesel variant may also join the lineup, designed to improve fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, the Hilux delivers smooth gear shifts and strong power delivery across the rev range. One of the Hilux's strongest attributes remains its off-road capability. The 2026 version features improved suspension geometry and reinforced shock absorbers that offer better articulation and comfort on rough terrain. The four-wheel drive system, equipped with selectable drive modes, allows you to switch effortlessly between 2WD and 4WD depending on conditions. The electronic locking rear differential, hill descent control, and active traction control make even the toughest trails feel manageable. Whether you're crossing rocky trails, muddy tracks, or desert dunes, the Hilux simply doesn't flinch. Inside, Toyota has taken a significant leap forward in design and comfort. The 2026 Hilux interior feels premium yet practical, with soft-touch materials, a redesigned dashboard, and ergonomic controls. The centerpiece is a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital driver's display adds to the modern appeal, giving the driver all key information with crisp clarity. The new model also includes multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a 9-speaker JBL sound system on higher trims for an immersive experience. Comfort has been a major focus. The seats are better contoured, offering improved lumbar support and ventilation for long drives. Toyota has also enhanced sound insulation, reducing cabin noise significantly. Dual-zone climate control, smart key access, ambient lighting, and multiple storage spaces make it as comfortable on the highway as it is capable off-road. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Hilux continues Toyota's tradition of prioritizing protection and awareness. The Toyota Safety Sense Suite includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree surround camera. The improved frame structure and advanced airbag system ensure maximum protection for all passengers, both on and off the road. Towing and payload capacity remain impressive. Depending on configuration, the 2026 Hilux can tow up to 3,500 kilograms and handle a payload of around 1,000 kilograms with ease. This makes it a true workhorse that's just as capable on construction sites as it is towing a boat or caravan for weekend adventures. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvement thanks to new engine tuning and aerodynamic updates. The diesel variants now return close to 12 to 13 kilometers per liter under mixed driving conditions, which is commendable for a truck this powerful. Maintenance intervals have been optimized too, making ownership more economical in the long run.